Imagine you could see every text message, every call, every photo on someone's phone from your laptop. That's exactly what a rat does. In this video, I'll show you AhMyth, an Android remote administration tool. It's a control panel for a phone, and it runs on your own machine. Think of it like a security camera for a phone. AhMyth has two parts: a server on your computer that shows you everything, and a client app on the target phone that sends the data back. Together, they give you a live dashboard of SMS, contacts, call logs, GPS location, even the camera and microphone. Getting AhMyth running is straightforward. You grab the release binaries from GitHub or build from source if you prefer. The server is an Electron app, so it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Just download, extract, and launch. Once the server is running, you build an APK. That's the Android app. You enter your server address, click Build, and AhMyth packages a ready-to-install APK file. Send it to the target phone and install it. Now watch the dashboard light up. The phone shows up as connected. You can read SMS messages, pull the full contact list, see call history with timestamps, get real-time GPS location, snap photos with the camera, record from the microphone, browse the file system, and open a remote shell. Every module is a tile on the dashboard. AhMyth also supports persistence. The app survives a reboot. You can set it to reconnect automatically, and the file manager lets you upload and download files between the phone and your machine. Security researchers use this to test how a phone responds to a backdoor. You build the APK, install it on a test device, and walk through each module to see what data leaks. It's a hands-on way to understand Android permissions and data exposure. The hard rule: only run AhMyth on phones you own or have explicit written permission to test. Installing a rat on someone else's device without consent is illegal and can land you in serious trouble. Always stay on the right side of the law. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.